You may have seen AEDs, automated external defibrillators, all around you at shopping malls, the gym, and elsewhere. But did you know that anyone can use them to save a life? That is, if you know how. In this video, Anthony Lambert, retired Navy Chief Petty Officer, shows you step by step how to use one of these simple life-saving devices. Plus, stick around till the end of the video, because we have a gun giveaway you can enter for free, but it ends soon. Now, let's play the video.
Hi, this is Anthony, Lifeline columnist for Concealed Carry Magazine. And today what I like to do is talk about the AED. Okay, it's these crazy machines that we see around in our local shopping centers or gyms. And have anyone ever used one before? Okay, and some people think you have to be CPR certified to use one. Okay, now I highly recommend, if you don't already have it, make sure you go and check out and get your CPR certification at your local fire department or American Heart Association. It's one of those things that you can always use if you need it, okay? So let's talk about the AED. Most AEDs, no matter what brand it is, who makes it, they run basically the same. If you assume that someone's having a heart attack or has had a heart attack because they're unconscious and they can't tell you, grab your AED, okay? And I'm gonna show you how simple this is. Simply grab the AED, open it up, and inside looks just like this. It gives you instructions step by step what to do. Number one, pull. So as soon as you see this green tab right here, it says pull, like so. Listen.
Begin by removing all clothing from the patient's chest. Cut clothing if needed.
So inside this particular kit is a pair of trauma shears to cut clothing.
When patient's chest is bare, remove protective cover and take out white adhesive pads.
Okay, so what they're talking about is removing the cover here, just like so. This right here is typically sealed. We're going to open that up.
When patient's chest is bare, remove protective cover and take out white adhesive pads.
Okay, and at this point, you're going to take out the pads, okay? I'm going to turn the machine off at this point. You're going to remove the white pads right here, and you would place it on your patient. And it tells you right here where on the patient's chest that you need to place this, okay? On each pad, just like so. You'll continue on. What it's going to do is it's going to look for some type of rhythm, okay, or lack thereof a rhythm. And then it will tell you to shock or stand back, shock, and then it'll either deliver shock or it won't deliver shock because that person has some type of heart rhythm and the machine is sensing it, okay? So there's no reason to shock that individual. You heard the machine kind of tell you step by step what to do. So now let's go over placement of the pads. It tells you right on the photo, on each pad, the placement, okay? And all you gotta do is just follow the picture. It's that simple. Hold the pads, pull the first one, pull it straight off, and it tells you, referencing the picture, again, where it's at. So what I would suggest that you do is look at the nipple line and then cut the chest in half. Now, everybody's chest size can be different. You're gonna have some guys that are really massive, some guys are gonna be really more bony. So use that as an approximation of the pad placement. Now, if this person's been working out, one thing you may want to consider doing is take that shirt that you just took off that patient, use it to wipe up any sweat or anything like that, okay? Now, the next pad, okay? Again, we're using the picture as a reference. Peel that off. And we're going to place this right on the side. And then, again, continue following, listen to the machine. The machine at this point will see if there's some type of heart rhythm, okay? If a heart rhythm is present, it will not shock, okay, or provide a shock to the patient. If it does not detect any type of rhythm, of heart rhythm, then it will tell you stand back, or something to that fact. and then it's gonna give that patient a shock. After the shock, it'll, again, try to detect for some type of heart rhythm, and it will continue this process, okay? Now, the one key thing you wanna remember during this time is you wanna make sure that you have somebody calling 911 and that you have medical help, higher echelon of care coming to your location. So try to give the ambulance or the 911 dispatcher the person's sex, male, female, approximate age. Got a 50-year-old male here with the absence of heart rhythm. If you witness what happened, he was clutching his chest, he was on the treadmill type of deal, and you saw him collapse. Okay, so you got the AED and you're following the instructions of the AED. Now, don't hang up, okay, because they may be able to give you additional information or additional help until help arrives. So remember to continue following the instructions of that dispatcher and pass along any additional information that you may think that may be helpful or that they may ask you. And don't be afraid. Remember, stay confident in your abilities. Also seek additional help. Use the crowd if there's other people around you. Okay, because ask if there's is anybody a doctor, is anybody a nurse? I need help. Okay, remember to stay with that patient and do not leave the patient, and just wait for 911 to arrive. Don't be intimidated, but I highly encourage you guys to look at your local fire department or American Heart Association and get your CPR certification. Okay, they teach both infant CPR, child CPR, adult CPR, as well as the AED. Okay, because it may be the life that you save, it may be the life of your own loved ones at home, okay? So I highly encourage you to go seek that additional training. A lot of times it's free or maybe a very nominal cost of like $25, and it's typically good for 2 years, and then you can go get recertified, and that way you just have that additional certification.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. And as promised, we have a gun giveaway, and it's going to end soon. All you have to do is click on the link below and reveal what brand new gun you can win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. We'll notify you every time we come out with something new. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.